Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to change language on Remitly. If you are looking for a way to change your display language on your Remitly application, then here is how you can easily do it. So the first thing to do is to tap open Remitly application from your app drawer. Soon after you open the application, make sure that you are signed into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on Manage at the bottom right hand corner. In the Manage menu, tap on Settings, tap on the language option, and then select the language of your preference from the list you would want to change to. Once you select one of the options, tap on Confirm at the bottom, and there you have successfully changed your display language setting on Remitly. So that is how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.